The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k root 3 centimeters, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? Okay, let's draw an equilateral triangle. Now, an equilateral triangle, because the angles are all congruent, we will do 180 divided by 3, which is 60. You can use your calculator. And so you find out that this is 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. Okay, all good. Now we want the height of this triangle. So I'm going to drop a height down. So I'm going to erase that real quick because I'm going to put a line right through. So here's the height of the triangle. Okay, that would bisect this angle. So now you would have 30 on this side and 30 on this side. What you have is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. You have one here and one here, but you have 30, 60, 90 triangles to deal with. And by the way, the height of the triangle is k root 3. So this particular height is k root 3. This height from the length from here to here, the bottom. Boom, that is k root 3. This perimeter is 624. Why don't we find the length of each side? So 624 divided by 3. Let's use a calculator. And I'll also do the 180 divided by 60, just for completeness. 180 divided by 60. Sorry, divided by 3 to get 60. So this shows you that each angle is 60. Now we want 624 divided by 3, which is 208. So this tells us that each of these sides is 208 for this side and 208 for this side. The bottom side all the way across is 208, just like the other two sides. But let's cut it in half because we have cut it in half in this picture. Oh, this was 208. Okay, so let's cut that in half. Let's grab the calculator. Let's go divide by 2. 104. So this is 104, 104, and this part is 104. By that I mean, let me clear this up. Let's do a better job of clearing it up. Okay. This distance is 104, and this distance is 104. Okay, and that's k root 3. So we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. If you have this memorized, great. They also provided a formula sheet. Let's go take a look. They have this 30, 60, 90 triangle right over here. Let me copy that down. Let's draw the triangle over here. This is the 30 and 60. This is just what the picture had in the formula sheet. This is 2x, this is x, this is x root 3. Let's rotate it so we can see this picture better. So this came from the formula sheet. So let's just draw it again over here this way. I'll make this the 30. I'll make this the 60. And you can see 2x is the hypotenuse. So let's go 2x. X root 3 is between the 30 and the 90. That's over here, x root 3. And x is between the 90-degree angle and the 60-degree angle, which is over here, x. So this matches this triangle exactly. You can see it's 60, 30. And so what we have here is a case of, well, whatever this is, this has to be double of that, and this has to be that number times root 3. So let's, if x were 104, let's clear some stuff out. If this were 104, as our picture seems to suggest, right, then you would expect this to be 2 times 104, which is 208, which actually matches the picture also. And finally, you would expect this to be 104 times root 3. Okay, so this k root 3 is actually 104 root 3. So now we have this equation, k root 3 equals 104 root 3. You can solve it by observation. You say, well, k root 3 equals 104 root 3. I'm just going to compare and say k is 104. Or you can actually solve the equation. You just divide by root 3 and divide by root 3. And these will cancel, and these will cancel, and you get k is 104. What's the value of k? The final answer is 104.